Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jennifer P. Guzman, 28 years old. I have one son, 4 years old boy. I am living at San Antonio, Burgos, Isabela. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the 10th child of the family. I am high school graduate at St. Peter's Academy.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning and ironing, cooking, and my main duties is taking care of children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always securing the children, and I will check the temperature. If he will sick, I will call my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
Nothing, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Nothing, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
Yes.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my babies needed.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my duties and responsibilities.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Stay calm and be secure.
Okay, do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and nose and ears and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I hope you select me as your domestic helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family as all my best, and thank you.